you guys, so another Christmas puzzle on my table. This is the Christmas table. So we've got a lot of things Christmassy on that table that you can eat, from, well, sugar cookies to hot cocoa, pies. I don't know what this all is. Fruits and nuts, you know. And it looks fine. Yeah, it is from Eurographic Smart Cut technology, so I guess the pieces won't be, well, they will be random. And ein Weihnachtstisch. It has got 1,000 pieces. Let's do it. Okay, Christmas table. So here we've got all the sweets and pies and candies and fruits and nuts. I think there are nuts on there somewhere. Yeah, here we've got nuts. And all the stuff that are typically colored for a Christmas table. This seems like a hot cocoa with marshmallows on it and sugar cookies. That looks delicious. Guys, how was your Christmas? Tell me in the comments if you liked to. If you like what you saw, hit the like button. And if you haven't already, you could consider to subscribe. And then we'll see us on the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.